legs on this hill. Oh, so meeting again, explain. Well, I rule the world.
Nice, isn't it? It is. Danny boy, cheeky loss.
Thank you.
Hey, we're having our picnic now.
We went down in the ditch and I hurt my ankle.
Cleo's with you.
Yeah.
Make sure you're okay.
Should I have a picnic?
Oh yes, please.
Jess, where do you want to go?
We've got them lot over there.
Go around like Castle Down.
Yeah.
Name
Oh, Jess, if you can, can you pass that to Jess, please?
Yeah, sure.
Kirby, behave yourself.
There you go. Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you, Brenda.
Well, you have to watch those chocolate bars don't melt.
Ooh, chocolate and cakes. Crazy wheels off as always.
Yeah, off. And this is where the lollipop goes.
Beautiful place. Right, a cheeky fox time. A wild fox appears. Who's that Pokemon? It's a fox.
Somewhere.
Danny boy's like, I don't know about this. All right, mate. Did you think? Oh, it's quite nice actually. Hey, Will. Oh, you cheeky!
You just fell for it.
Will, I'll get you back, mate. Oi, watching you now. I'm having fun. I'm losing. Yeah, get in. Neither have I. I haven't got a towel either, but it's fun. Get him back. That's what you get, Will.
No, you're not going to get me back that easily.
Well, I just did, didn't I?
I can walk like a quab like this. I'm Captain Piper of the Seas.
He's just standing there, just watching us like a weirdo. No, I'm joking. Somebody's like lost a ghostie in here.
Where's the ghost over here? Margaret.
Somebody's lost a ghostie. You run, Kyle. I'm
That
getting
didn't
it.
work either.
Got him. Got him. Oh, the sheep! Well, to be fair, you did start it.
What's that little Jane?
Ain't gonna fall for that.
It's cold here.
I know. Yeah.
It's a bit
Get
cold.
your shoes and socks off, Rich, and get in. Oh, smelly feet round these here, boy.
Like, shall you eat cheesy feet?
This stone is my.
Get your
This
feet
stone
in.
is my pleasure.
It's nice.
Oh, it's
you
cold.
get used to it, that's alright. He thinks Margaret's in there.
Enjoy your swim, Margaret.
I mean, there is a ghost in there, we've seen it. Beautiful
Well, that
place.
was there.
We're about to head back now. It was really fun, wasn't it, love?
Yeah.
And Tom enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Waiting for Danny Boy and Crumpet Man. And then we're heading back. It's been a lovely day. Yeah. Hey man. Hey. SociABLEs car 1, SociABLEs car 2. This is a fancy Honda. That one we don't have a name for it. It's just a red car. Yeah, we'll see you at the centre.
Happy birthday, Ali.